7 when I moved to Kosovo to work on women's rights with the United Nations in rebuilding a country that had gone through horrible atrocities. I gave it everything I had, but my problem was I didn't know my limitations. I didn't know how to deal with the trauma and sorrow that surrounded me. I shut these emotions out and kept pressuring myself to do better. If you'd said to me at the time,